That was a bump. Hello and welcome to One of a Kind Castle. I'm Karen, the gatekeeper of this magical place where you can unlock your power to rule your fitness and live your happy ever after. One of a Kind Castle is where you get your mindset strategy first if you want to succeed. If that's something that interests you, then subscribe so you don't miss my other videos. Today I'll be taking you through the 2025 Transformation Plan PDF that I created especially for you, lovely lady. And if you watch the videos that go along with it, altogether it's one big package to help you succeed as you go through the year. This is the way I do fitness, following nature, because nature leaves clues. We start with this sheet and we have one for nutrition, one for exercise and one for your well-being. And on each sheet are two boxes. In the first box is your goals that you want to achieve, and in the second box is your intention. So for example, my goal might be to get stronger by using Pilates. So my intention is to do Pilates 3 times a week to achieve that goal. And then we have the 4 lists: winter, spring, summer and autumn or fall. And on each of those lists are 3 columns for your nutrition, your exercise and your self-care. You select things from these and you will put them into your weekly plan, which is this sheet. There's a weekly plan for nutrition and exercise, and you've got it, well-being. Everyone has the odd slip up in their fitness, but it's important to just carry on maybe the next day. Get straight back on it and celebrate and focus on your wins instead, because that will build faith, confidence and trust in yourself to do this. So I've included a self-care for all seasons, and on this sheet you will only put things that spark joy in your soul. A few examples of mine, big and small, are a luxury beach holiday in a tropical location, Lady Million's perfume and millionaire shortbread. I have filled out the whole sheet, but they're just a few examples. They must spark joy in your soul so that it's a real reward for you to get for your wins. So you've got your goal and intention sheet, you've got your list to pick from and put into your weekly plan, and you've got your wins sheet, which is like a life box of chocolates. And at the end, you have a personal note from me and an invitation to join me on my social media channels, which I'll link below in the description box. Don't forget to watch the 2025 Transformation Plan playlist. And if you want to dive deeper and join a supportive community of like-minded ladies on the same journey as you, then check out One of a Kind Castle. The links will be down there. Please let me know how you do. And until the next time we meet, I'll say, fare thee well, good lady.